Hello, good morning students. On that day we have completed about the indicators and the pH value. Now today I will start the importance of pH in our everyday life. This is not important topic but 1 marks question came from here. Okay, for an example we are using the first one point, pH in a digestive system. Now how the pH in a digestive system is used? In our stomach gelicil is produced. Jealous feeling is there. Okay, means some pupils are saying gas formation takes place. It means at that time hydrochloric acids is produced. Okay, so what they are saying that the dilute hydrochloric acids help in digesting our food with the harming the substance stomach. The excess acid in the stomach causes indigestion, which produces pain and irritation. In order to cure indigestion and get rid of pain, we take bases called antacids. Now, at that time, the gas formation takes place in the stomach. That is, and we are taking an antacid, means we are using taking the ENO and baking soda. These things we are taking, milk of magnesia. These things we are using. Next is used as pH change as the cause of the tooth decay. Okay, how the formation takes place? Tooth decay starts when the pH of acid formed in the mouth falls below 5.5. When the pH value is below 5.5, at that time only it will happen. Why it is so? Because then the acid becomes strong enough to attack the enamel of our teeth and corrode it. That's why the pupil teeth is becoming black now, because of this reason. The best way to prevent tooth decay is to clean the mouth thoroughly after eating food. Okay, the pH of toothpaste being about 8. Always when we are using the pH, it should be a 8. Means this type of things you have to find out the question from this paragraph. Plants and animals are sensitive to pH changes. Plants and animals, how they will change is by the soil. From the soil the plants are coming, grasses are coming, which type of grass they are eating. So these all things are important. pH changes and survival of animals also. Self-defense of by animals and plants through chemical welfare, means when we are in the soil, the farmers are putting various types of chemicals, medicines, and those things animals are eating. Means it can affect the animals in any way. In any way it can affect the animals. So these are the importance of pH in everyday life. This is not important to write in copy, but the importance is this. From these paragraphs you search out the question. And you can write it in your copy. Fine. Next is, you can see this also. Now an important thing come here is salt. We have completed the acid, we have completed bases. Now we are starting a salt. What is a salt here? A salt is a compound formed from an acid by the replacement of the hydrogen in the acid by a metal. Now what is this? It is a type of a compound, a replacement of hydrogen takes place. The replacement of hydrogen takes place. That is the salt. Example is HCl. If we replace the hydrogen of an acid of a metal atom, say sodium atom, then we will get a salt NaCl. This is called as sodium chloride. It is a salt which we are eating. In some salts, however, the hydrogen of an acid is replaced by ammonium group, that is NH4. In the case of ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. The best known salt is sodium chloride, NaCl, which is usually known as common salt. Now beta, easily definition I would like to tell you. This is a full reminder, and I would like to tell you, in a salt the replacement of hydrogen takes place. That is a salt. Now I am going to the point I am coming. Okay, salts are formed when acid react with base. Now beta, see here, acid is here plus base is here, it form a salt. Okay, let's see. In a way we can say the salt has two parent, acid and base. So the name of the salt consists of two parts. The first part of the name of the salt is derived from the name of base, and second part of the name coming from the acid. For example, the name of salt is called as sodium chloride, comes from sodium hydroxide base and hydrochloric acid. Please note that. Now how it is changing? See here, the salts of hydrochloric acid Hydrochloric, chloric is called chloride, hydrochloride. The salt sulfuric acid is called sulfates. The salts of nitric acid called nitrate, carbonic acids carbonates, acetic acid acetates, and so on. Many are there. In this way, acids and bases are changing into the salt. Now, you have to make this table in a copy. Sodium chloride, NaCl, various formulas are there. Aluminium sulfate, like this, in this way we are using the aluminium sulfate. These are the formulas, you have to learn these. Salts are mostly solids. They have high melting and boiling point. Just like acids and bases, solution of salts in water conduct electricity. They also conduct electricity, salts. Salts are ionic compounds. Why they are ionic compounds? Because they can having an anion properties and cation properties. Every salt consists of positive charge ion and negative charge ion. I said before. Examples: NaCl, Na positive and negative is Cl. Now what is a family of a salt? Okay. The salts having the same positive ion and negative ion are said to belong to a family of salt. Okay. Like beta, I am going now NaCl. Na positive, Cl negative. Sodium sulfate, Na positive, SO4 is negative. Find KCl, K positive, Cl negative. In this thing, what I am telling, this thing only it is written here. When we have many families of salt, the positive charge ion and negative charge ion, which family of salts? Some of the important families of salt is sodium salts, calcium, magnesium, zinc, potassium, aluminium, copper, and so on. These are the families of salt. One thing is very important in the salt, what you have to do, it is the replacement of the hydrogen. You can see it very nicely. I write it in your copies also. Only hydrochloric acid change into chloride, sulfuric change into sulfates, means how it is changing. Nitric change nitrates, chloric, carbonic change carbonate, acetic change acetates, and so on. Family having two types, one is cation and anion. Anything we are taking. For an example, I have taken the CaSO4, Ca positive SO4, K2SO4, K positive SO4, potassium nitrite, K positive NO3, sodium nitrate, Na positive NO3, zinc sulfate, Zn positive SO4 negative. Okay, anion and cation both are present. These are the sample problem that also you have to write down in your copy. So these things you have to, this one also I have to write down in your copy, same thing which I have discussed to you. Next is, a salt is formed by the reaction between an acid and the base. We should accept the solution of salt in water will be neutral towards litmus. Okay, it is neutral towards a litmus, means it is 7. Salt are neutral, neutral means its pH value is 7. Now salt solution, pH and nature. Sodium chloride 7, ammonium chloride 6. 6 means it is less than 7, so that's why it coming in acidic. Sodium carbonate solution, it is 9. It is said to be a basic because it is more than 7. The acidic nature and the basic nature of some salt solution can be explained on the basis of hydrolysis of salt. Understood? This nature is depend upon hydrolysis of salt. First one point, the salts of strong acid and strong base give neutral solution. Strong acid and strong base give neutral solution. The salts of strong acid and weak base give acidic solution. Please better listen it very carefully. Okay. Both the things are strong, it means it will neutral. When a strong acid is there, weak base is there, it means it is a acidic. Example, ammonium chloride is react with water to form ammonium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Okay, now see here. Weak base, strong acid and weak base. Strong acid, it form a weak base. Strong acid, weak base. Fine. Third form we are taking the salts of weak acid, strong base give basic solution. Weak acid and strong base. Weak acid come here, strong base come here. Okay. So these are the examples of salt solutions. Properties of it. Sodium carbonate is react with water, hydrolysis takes place and form as sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. Again I am repeating, listen to me again. Please don't be confused. 2-3 things are there. The salts of strong acid, strong base. It form a neutral solution. Strong acid, weak base, form acidic. strong acid, weak base, acidic. See why it is acidic, because a strong acid. Okay, if here is strong base, then here it is formation, basic formation takes place. Now see here, in this one the salts of weak acid, strong base. What is form? Strong base is here, it form a basic solution. This is the example. Okay, here it is written that litmus paper is changing from this paper change to this color is changed into this color. I am showing the page so that you can write down also in your copy. Fine students, this is the salts. Tomorrow we will start with the common salt. Okay, so again I am showing to you about a salt you can see here. Then this one page you have to write down in your copy. See, thank you and have a nice day, and do this work in your copy, and what HL I am giving to you, that also you have to complete it in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.